Hello all, good morning. So in that previous class we have discussed customer arrays, how to declare array, customer array and how to sort array. And also we have seen the previous class again. So scanner class member. Oh, so if you are not watching my previous class, go and watch my previous class. Okay, so today we'll go new concept. We close all these tabs. So I create a class. We create a class. So my class name is, let me take new class name. Mm, new class name. Okay. Demo test. So public static void I am take. Okay. So demo test is created with main method. So okay. So within package I am created. This time no need to create any package. Okay. Let me remove this package. I am using default package. Okay. So that's it. So demo test. I'll add this. So in Java, based on our choice, we want to see, see, we can going to execute that code. Okay. So in Java, our choice, which code going to execute. Okay. Suppose I take one example. If I pass a number, that particular number, say suppose if I pass number 5. So wherever the number 5 is matching, any block it is matching that code means 5 will be executed. So if I pass 10, whenever the 10 is matched, that particular block will be executed. So if I am passing some 12, if no block is matching with that 12, so there is a default block that will be executed. So based on our choice, which block of code is going to execute. Okay. That we will be decided by a switch case. Okay. By switching case statement. Switching. So what you want? So a debut that you have to pass the input. So it is execute that particular kind of block. Suppose in my application, okay, code snippets. Suppose I have four code snippets. Okay, suppose I have four code snippets. I want to execute a particular code snippet. Okay, so if you want to execute a particular code, so you can use some reference or some ID. Okay, or that might be a integer, that might be a string type. Okay, that label. So based on the label you are passing, that particular block of code will be executed. Uh, so it is nothing but suppose there is a postal. So postal address. We have a postal address, right? Pin codes. So there are numbers. So there are the post address. You have to assign the post. So that particular address only, right? Okay. Like that we can do it. Okay. 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 So we'll create switch statements. How to create switch statements? Okay. So switch. Oh, switch. Okay. Switch. And the syntax is of open brace and close brace. This is. So now I pass choice, right? Here I want to pass a choice. Int A. I am passing. Okay. Now here case case whatever value you are passing. For example, so I declare a variable here in above. So int A equals to say 10. 10. Okay. I just take that variable here. Next. So this is the block. So I assign the directly value to here. So case 1. Okay. So this is case 1. Okay. I just taking case 1. This is first block. Okay. This out. So I am in 1. See, like that, how many cases you want, how many blocks you want, like that you can create. So next case 2. Okay, this how I am in case 2. Okay, so let me take this. So this is case 3. This is 4. This is 3. This is 4. Okay, 4 cases. Okay, next. So I am giving case 10 matching. Here I can give. See, if you want, you can write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 also. But as of now, I'm not going to create those many. Okay, just showing example, right? So next, this 10. This is 10. Suppose if there is no case, so whatever number you are passing, it would not match in any case. If that is any else, we are going to write. So if any condition is not matching, else block is executed in if else. Here also, if any clause is not matching, default case, we have a default. Default case. This is default case. So this out. So no matching. No match. So if there is no matching, the default case will be executed. Okay, sys out. Right? Okay. No match. So no matching, default case. Default case. So if I run this, what happens? We'll see. Okay. So which case, based on your choice, we are given that particular block will be executed. So we'll see. We'll run. See. Okay, running. See. See, I am 10. So I am 10 is executed. Okay. But after 10, there is a case we have. No matching default case also executed. Executed, right? But it should not do it. See, if I am given here 3, so if I run this case 3, I am giving. See, case 3 is executed. After case 3, how many lines are there? All are executed. Right? That means, so that first 1 and 2 are not executed. Directly going to third case, this one. From onwards, if any lines are there, those are included. Right? So it should not do it like that. Okay. So whenever there is a match, if that is executed, then you have to control the flow. How to control the flow? So that means you have to break the flow. Suppose there is a, see, there is a train. You are going to somewhere. Okay. How to get down in the station? See, there are two stations. You should get down, right? Whenever. But see, but if you are not get down, it is going to another station. So that is your opinion, right? You need to the responsibility, you have to do it. So whenever your station is coming, so you need to get down. Otherwise, the train will be going to next train and next platform. So sorry, next another station, right? So same. So here also your destination is there. Once you reach it, you have to terminate the flow. How to do it? So how to terminate? So we have to use break statement. Okay, break. This is okay, break statement. So this break statement, whenever that matches case is executed, then it breaks your flow, terminated. Okay, see, break. For each and every case, you have to mention break. Okay. So now let me run. I am in 3. This time I am in 3. See, so it is clear, right? Switch, it takes a choice. So which choice you are, uh, passing that choice. Okay. For example, I am passing int right. So int a equals to 3. Now my choice also taking a. So that means integer, the case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 10, like that. Default. These are the cases I have. So this is switch cases. So now it is directly printing 3 whenever you use break. So for that, there is no execution whenever you use break, because once reach, it won't be behind that. Okay, it won't go behind that. For example, my choice is 4. So it is, so I am in 4. If choice is 50, is 50 is available? No. Then the default choice will be executed. So this is clear. See, here you are passing the what type? Int type. Okay. Oh, see, let me take this. Let me copy and comment this. Let me show. So let me show you one more example, which is taking string type. So this is int type, right? So this is int type. Now I define string type. So string means string. Okay. So now let me take fruit this time. Okay. Fruit. Okay. If it is a string, the value should be within the double quotes. Orange. Okay. So this fruit will take here. Choice of fruit. Switch. Okay. Now, if you see here, the case 1, case 2 should be a integers, right? Now, see, type mismatch. Can't convert from into to string. So that means you have to give the value should be any. So banana, it should be, so that orange, and mango. Okay. Next, grapes. Next, so kiwi. So no match, default case executed, right? For no matching, default case executed. Executed. Now let me say, so I am in banana. Okay. So I am in orange, mango. So I am in grapes. So I am in kiwi. So right, this is how we can create string switch. So you are passing orange. So keep to be executed now. See, I am in orange. So if I take capital letter here, so what is your choice? See, no matching default case executed because that is small case, this is capital case. So there might be a case sensitive. Understood? The options you are passing case sensitive. Okay. Okay. So whatever case you are putting, that case you are putting. That is very important. See, this is string way of switch case. So like that, what type of you are taking, that type you have to put it in cases. Okay. So before we are using int, right? So that's why we using case 1, case 2, case 3 like that. But here we are using string. So when I say string means case some string within the double quotes. Okay. So break flow is for everything is same. So why break? So the break statement, it's break the flow. It won't going to allow the cursor to continue the flow, execution flow. Okay, the execution will stop there. So wherever break is there, it won't go. It will break. So that is the break keyword. So clear? So I hope you are all understand this. Okay. This is switch case. Okay. See, see from keyboard onwards we can give our inputs. So how to give keyboard onwards inputs? We have a scanner class, right? Oh, we have a scanner class. How to use scanner class? So if I say where is a our scanner class is available? So somewhere we use, right? Scanner class. Okay. No need. Okay. This is tested in okay. Demo test, right? So if it is, so how to create a scanner class? Simple. Scanner S equals to new new scan. So new scan. So it takes your, your system dot in system dot in. So it represent your keyboard. Okay. Next. So let me define one. This is out here. Okay. Enter value. Okay. So just for a reference, I'm adding. So now I'll take string this fruit. Okay. This fruit I am taking. First S dot next line, right? So this next line will take the string. This method. Okay, done. Everything should be done. Okay, enter the value. So let me give banana. See, I am in banana. Okay, and if I give any, okay, kiwi. See, I am in kiwi. So if I give some random thing, so there is no value within my switch case. Like, let me say, so, okay, apple is not there, right? Apple. So no matching default class. Excellent. So by using switch case like this, we include the scanner message, scanner class. So very simple. Okay, that's it.